Bogey Dugway, which is going to be an adventure today. There was a sign back there that said no more than 10,000 pound vehicle, and also sharp curves, steep drop-offs, and an unimproved road. So we'll take you on our adventure today. We could turn right here, and this would take us to Valley of the Gods. But we're going onward, and we are now officially headed into the Bogey Dugway. I'm not speaking too soon, but this isn't nearly as bad as I thought. Like, I think the $1 Million Highway was more white knuckle than this.
Yeah, there was a couple of spots that were iffy.
Yeah.
Especially if you had a bigger.
Yeah, definitely I wouldn't come up here with a trailer or anything over maybe 23, 24 feet.
Yeah, there was one spot there that looked a little, I won't say soft,
Yeah.
but
Made you a little nervous.
If it gave way,
we would not be here today. So if you see this video, it means that we have survived. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad we ended up doing this. This was not on our list to do. Oh, another car. We just finished the Muley Dugway, and iOverlander showed quite a few spots up in this area. And we're down one road. We made it down the road really well, but we're not sure about all this. So Ray's out there walking to see if this is a viable spot. But could you look at all that view for the next couple of days? We have no cell phone coverage out here. No data, no nothing, 0. So we'll see if it's worth it. We are a little apprehensive because 2 weeks ago we got stuck. Now there's no mud around here, but there is some soft sand, but we got stuck in mud in Arizona. So we're a little apprehensive and want to make sure we don't get ourselves in a predicament. Let's see what he says.
There's one spot where the rock has a lot of tire burnout on it.
Yeah. And not worth it. There's still a lot more down the end of the road.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah, I got to figure out where to turn around now too.
Okay. You can go by.
There's somebody behind us.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Okay, we have headed to Muley, what is it called? Muley Point. Oh yeah, there's a spot right over there. I mean, we're gonna be close to people, but. This way. Oh yeah. There's a fire room right there.
I just got to decide if I want to do that
I think you can do it.
or swing around.
All right, like a good husband, he's going to check this little area right here. There is a fire pit right there, a fire ring, which we would park right there. And look at that view. Oh, please, please, please be able to do it. Rudy, would you like to sit in this spot for a couple of days? I think he'd like to just go out and go for a walk and go potty. Hey y'all, we are here at Muley Point. This is part of the Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. We found this spot on iOverlander, and we just left Mexican Hat about an hour and a half ago, and went up the, oh, I can never say this right, Muley Dugway, and ended up here. And this might be my favorite spot ever.
Are we gonna leave?
I don't think so. I think I'm gonna live here forever. It is a little cold and windy though. But this view, you can't beat it. Did you show the mountains out there with some snow still on the top?
You can probably barely see it.
Yeah. And then we're overlooking, from what I understand, we're overlooking Valley of the Gods. So we're not gonna drive through Valley of the Gods, we're just gonna look at it.
And how much was this camp spot?
$3.99 on iOverlander.
But that does mean we don't really have many neighbors, although we do.
We do have
we
neighbors
have a couple.
today. We do.
Quiet.
It's quiet though. Yeah, it'll be fine.
No water, no electric, no. Just free solar
Just a view.
and a view.
We're gonna have to keep Brutus completely hooked up. No free range dog today, because that's a drop off right there.
I'm sure the sunset's going to be
I
amazing.
know, I'm looking forward to that tonight.
Check back.
Bye.
So I hope you enjoyed that sunset from last night. It was awesome. Even in film, it just didn't look as good as it did in person. Cameras can do wonders, but man, it was beautiful last night. So we are now, I think, day 3 here, and I don't know what the problem is, but this is a Saturday. We're the only ones here. Now it is a little windy, it is chilly, and what we're going to do today is we're going to walk out to this point out here. We did a partial walk yesterday. There's one camper up here on the hill, so there may be more. I'm sure the sunset from the other side is going to be absolutely beautiful, but we won't be there for it. So we are walking Brutus today, getting him some exercise. He loves walking. And then here's the road coming out. We found another way into our spot, but not too bad. I think the ProMaster could do it. We saw a couple of cars do it. Obviously they're a lot lighter, but height-wise they're not, but they made it up this left-hand side. Brutus waiting for me.
I got ahead of Austin. The guy in the van that
Huh.
went by.
Yeah, we just had a ProMaster go by. So we are camped directly across the way. You see that big rock that's fallen off the edge? We're right behind it. Big old rock. This place is really awesome. There's boondocking spots all over. A 2-wheel drive will do fine. And then others, a 4-wheel drive might be needed.